In this video, we'll cover the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta top 5 problems and known issues. This overview details the most frequently reported mechanical and electrical problems for the 2014 Jetta. These issues are compiled from owner forums, technical service bulletins, and reliability databases. Awareness is key for current owners and prospective buyers. The first problem that we encounter with the 2014 Jetta is the ignition coils fail. This is the most common drivability issue for this vehicle. The ignition coils, especially in the 2.0 liter and the 2.5 liter engines, they fail prematurely. Symptoms would include engine misfires, a rough idle, noticeable hesitation during acceleration, and a flashing check engine light. Ignoring a misfire can often lead to a catastrophic damage to the catalytic converter. The standard repair is to replace all coils and spark plugs at one time. The second problem with the Jetta of this year is the power window regulator and the switches fail. It's a recurrent electrical gripe for many owners. The window regulator mechanism, as well as the master switch on the driver's door, are common failure points. You'll notice a window that stops working, moves very slowly, makes grinding noises, or simply drops inside of the door. This creates security concerns and inconveniences. Repair requires removal of the interior door panel. Problem number 3 would be a clogged sunroof drain or the clogged sunroof drain tubes. For models equipped with a sunroof, this is critical maintenance item. The 4 drain tubes easily clog with debris. The primary symptom is water intrusion. You'll find wet carpets in the front or rear footwell and may see water stains on the headliner. Persistent leaks lead to mold, mildew, bad odors, and potential corrosion of the vehicle's floor pan. The fourth problem is the automatic transmission mechatronic unit. A significant and expensive weak point for the 6-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. The mechatronic unit's internal seals and sensors often fail. Drivers report erratic or harsh shifting, slipping gears, loud clunks when engaging, and the transmission may enter limp mode. Repair costs for this are often high, ranging from $2,000 to over $4,000. Issues frequently arise between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. And the last problem that's noted with this vehicle is the 2.5 liter engine. The intake manifold fails. This issue is specific to the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder engine. The plastic linkage for the intake manifold runner flaps breaks. This triggers a check engine light. Typically, it sets a code P2015. Drivers tend to experience a rough idle, a significant loss of low-end power, and reduced fuel economy. The vehicle defaults to a limp mode, and the fix requires replacement of the entire intake manifold assembly. Now, if you're looking to purchase one of these vehicles of this year, here's my critical pre-purchase checklist. You want to go through this and decide after following these steps if the vehicle is right for you. So if you're considering this vehicle model, take these steps. First, insist on a professional pre-purchase inspection. Second, Use the NHTSA website to check the VIN for open recalls. The third thing you want to do is test every electrical function. You want to test all the windows, all the locks, and the sunroof, amongst many other electrical things in the car. Check for damp carpeting. The fourth step is review all available service records that you can find for maintenance on the vehicle. Finally, you want to always conduct a test drive starting with a cold engine to listen for noises and to verify proper transmission operation. Now that that's complete, my final summary and my final recommendations. This 2014 Jetta, it offers a value, but it carries predictable repair risk. The 2.5 liter engine, it's very robust, aside from the intake manifold problems. The 1.8T is it's efficient, but watch for early oil consumption and coolant leaks. To have success with this car depends on verifying its history and being proactive when budgeting for these known issues. And I tend to follow this rule. An informed owner is a prepared owner. That's all I have for you guys. This is the coverage of the top 5 known problems for the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. Make sure you guys are watching the videos all the way through, hitting the subscribe button. This is your man, AA Fix. I'm out. See you on the next one.